video of IPO analysis by Choice Broking. Today we will be reviewing the IPO of MedPlus Health Services. I am Siddhi Acharya, Fundamental Research Analyst, and I welcome you all to our YouTube channel, Choice. MedPlus Health Services is India's second largest pharmacy retailer in terms of revenue and number of stores. The company offers a wide range of products which includes pharmaceutical and wellness products such as medicines, vitamins, medical devices, etc. and certain FMCG products such as personal care products, soaps, detergents, etc. MedPlus was founded in 2006 and since then it has scaled its store network. As of 30th September 2021, the company operated 2,326 stores across Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Maharashtra. The company's product mix includes branded pharmaceutical products, private labeled pharmaceutical products, branded fast-moving consumer goods and private labeled consumer goods. And majority of the company's revenue comes from branded pharmaceutical products. Normally, the private labeled products have high gross margins. Thus, going forward, the company intends to increase the range of these products so as to have a steady growth in the business. Between 1st April 2018 and 30th September 2021, the company opened 1,158 new stores, and as of 31st March 2021, over 60% of these new stores achieved a positive store-level operating EBITDA within the first 3 months. In FY21, the penetration of organized pharmacy retail market in India was estimated to be around 11%, which is very low as compared to the penetration of 60 to 70% in the United States, 35 to 40% in European Union and 30 to 40% in China. Thus, there is immense growth opportunity in the organized pharmacy market in India. MedPlus has reported a profitable business expansion in the past 3 fiscals. On the back of robust store network expansion and same-store sales growth, the company reported a 16.2% CAGR rise in the total operating revenue. EBITDA margin expanded by 182 basis points and stood at 7.1% in FY21. With store network expansion, the company's depreciation charges and finance cost increased by 22.7% and 4.7% respectively. However, due to higher other income and lower effective tax rate, the company's profit after tax increased by 131.4%. We are forecasting a top-line growth of 11.7% CAGR over financial year 2021 to financial year 2024. EBITDA and PAT margins are likely to expand by over 100 basis points. The company has priced its IPO at a price band of 780 rupees to 796 rupees. There will be 18 shares in one lot, and at the higher price band, the total application money is 14,328 rupees. The IPO opens on 13th of December and closes on 15th of December. The company is planning to raise 1,398.3 crores from this IPO. Out of this, 600 crores will be through fresh issue and the remaining amount through offer for sale. The company will not receive any amount from the offer for sale portion, and of the net proceeds from the fresh issue, 467 crores will be used to invest in the material subsidiary to fund its working capital requirements and the remaining amount for general corporate purposes. There are no listed peers which have similar business operations to that of MedPlus. At the higher price band, the company is demanding an EV by TTM sales multiple of 3.1x, which seems attractive. Also, on FY24 estimated revenue, the demanded EV by sales multiple is 2.1x. Considering all these factors, we would recommend our investors to subscribe to this issue. If you liked our video, please click on the like button and do subscribe to our channel to never miss an update on the upcoming IPOs. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.